Hey there. Got some extra cash and want to pay off your SoFi loan faster? Making extra payments or paying off your loan early can save you on interest, and SoFi makes it straightforward with no prepayment penalties. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Log into your SoFi account and go to your loan dashboard. In the Payments section, you'll see an option to make an extra payment. You can choose to make a one-time additional payment or even increase your monthly payment amount. Any extra amount you pay will be applied directly to your loan principal, reducing the total interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. My crucial pro tip? Specify that extra payments go toward the principal. While SoFi typically applies extra payments correctly, it never hurts to add a note in the memo field stating, "Apply to principal." This ensures the payment reduces the core debt amount, accelerating your payoff timeline the most. That's how you take aggressive control of your debt and save money on interest. Do you prioritize paying off debt early, or do you focus on investing extra cash? Share your philosophy in the comments. For more guides on aggressive debt payoff, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.